Hello, hello. Crewcraft is the platform where you manage your planning and team. It includes availability, schedules, and time tracking. Crewcraft has two apps: the Planner app for those who create the schedules and the Crew app for everyone working on site. In the Planner app, the dashboard shows all your projects. The monthly calendar uses colors to show staffing levels. Green means fully staffed, orange mostly filled, red understaffed or empty. Click on a day to see where you still need people. The planning module has three screens. Use the day view to design your plans. The staffer page is for creating weekly rosters, making sure employees get logical shifts. The blocker page lets you quickly copy shifts between days. When assigning shift, you instantly see who is available, what role they have, and whether there are conflicts. In the crew module, you will find everyone you work with. You can search, filter, and contact your colleagues directly. Open a profile to view their schedule and availability. The time tracking module shows all worked hours listed by day, month, and project. Use it to check, approve, and export hours for payroll. In the coming weeks, we'll publish detailed instruction videos for each module on our YouTube channel. Feel free to explore for a full explanation. Crewcraft. Plan with ease, clarity for your team.